Welcome to this Excel updates video covering some general updates to the desktop version of Excel that can help make your Excel work easier and more efficient. The updates in this video relate only to Microsoft 365 only. Other versions of Excel are unlikely to have these updates. In Excel for Update, open the Excel Updates desktop data file. Focus Cell applies vibrant highlights to the corresponding row and column of the active cell and increases the active cell's border thickness. This makes the active cell more visible and facilitates easy identification of data across the same row and column. In any worksheet in the Excel file, to activate Focus Cell, on the View tab, click Focus Cell. Mac users, this feature is not currently available in Excel for Mac for everyone, but it could be added at any time, so check to see if the feature is available for you. It is in beta mode, so some users have it while others do not. You can also click on the Focus Cell drop-down and choose Focus Cell Color. There aren't many color choices, but any custom colors you have previously created in the worksheet using the Fill or Font color palette will appear under Recent Colors. To turn the Focus Cell feature off, simply click on it again. Note that Focus Cell doesn't work when you have freeze panes or split panes enabled. For our next feature update, we will look at the new navigation pane. Excel can now create a navigation pane to display your worksheet tabs. It is basically a table of contents for Excel worksheets. Here I am in worksheet D01, but you can be in any worksheet in the workbook. You can see that the worksheet tabs displayed at the bottom of the worksheet. An easier way to see those tabs, especially if there are many of them and they have long titles, is to create a navigation pane. On the View tab, click Navigation. The navigation pane opens on the right side of your screen. If you click one of the worksheet names, here I click D05, the workbook will open to that worksheet and the subcategories for that worksheet will be displayed. We don't have any hidden tabs in this workbook, but if we did, they would be displayed in the navigation pane as well. The navigation pane is dynamic, so any changes we make will be reflected. Click on the plus sign at the end of the sheet tabs to add a new worksheet to the workbook. And we see that the new worksheet is displayed in the navigation pane. To close the navigation pane, just click the X in the upper right corner of the pane. We are going to look at the new search feature now. Excel contains a lot of features, making it easy to forget where specific tools are located within the ribbon. The new search feature simplifies this by quickly locating the feature you need and showing you exactly where to find it, saving time and improving workflow efficiency. Suppose we want to do some conditional formatting. Right-click in any cell, and a drop-down menu opens with a Search the Menus field at the top. Begin to type conditional formatting in the search field and you will see the menus open to give you all the conditional formatting options. Let's try it again, this time looking for how to create a chart. Select cells A1 to B7 and right-click. Type Chart in the search field and in the drop-down menu, select Insert Column or Bar Chart and then select the first 2D column chart. Excel generated a column chart directly from the search menu, eliminating the need to navigate the ribbon or remember where the chart-related tools are located. Next, we look at the new High Contrast Only feature. The High Contrast Only feature in the Color menu highlights font colors that provide the highest contrast relative to the cell's fill color. This feature enhances readability and accessibility. Go to worksheet D02 if you are not already there. To use the High Contrast Only feature, Click in a cell that has a fill color, in this example B4, and then open the Font Color menu and toggle High Contrast Only on. The menu will display only the colors that are high contrast relative to the chosen cell's fill color. Pick a color. Now we will use the High Contrast Only feature for cell B6. Notice the different high contrast font color choices. And here are the changes to cells D4 and B6 as a result of using the High Contrast Only feature. Next up, we look at the new Check Performance feature. This new feature in Excel helps users improve spreadsheet efficiency by identifying potential issues and suggesting optimizations. It is particularly useful when working with large workbooks or when experiencing slowdowns. From any worksheet in the workbook, on the Review tab, click Check Performance. Mac users. This feature is not currently available in Excel for Mac, but it could be added at any time, so check to see if the feature is available for you. Alternatively, it is possible to use this feature in Excel for Web on a Mac. The Workbook Performance pane will open. Our workbook is not very large or complex, so there isn't much to see here, but we do have two inefficiencies noted in worksheets D4, 04, and D05. Click on the D05 inefficiency. When we drill down here into the inefficiency in D05, Excel lets us know that cells B31 to B33 are blank cells that are using the number format, and Excel suggests that we remove the number format from those cells. Okay, that's it. We are done. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.